Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am social studies teacher Saima Kamran. Today I am here to give you lecture of social studies class 5 lesson number 8 Pakistan and her neighbor. And this is our lecture number 3. Before starting the lecture, I want you all to get your book, notebook and pencil. We will start our lecture with recall. Students, in the lesson 1, we have learned about the imaginary lines of latitude and longitude. We have also learned that all the lines of latitude and longitude form a grid. We can find a place on a map with its grid reference. We have learned that Pakistan has 4 neighboring countries and their locations with reference to Pakistan. In this lesson, we will learn about the location of Pakistan. We will learn about the details of Pakistan's borders, as well as we will discuss in detail about the neighboring countries of Pakistan, which are Iran, Afghanistan, China, and India. Now let's start our lecture. As you all know, Pakistan is situated in the continent of Asia and it has an area of 7,96,095 square kilometers. Students, do you remember what are lines of latitude and longitude? The horizontal lines which are running from east to west are called parallels of latitude. And the vertical lines which are running from north to south are called meridians of longitude. So in this context, Pakistan lies between latitude 24° north and 37° north, and between longitudes 61° east and 76° east. Moving on to borders. In the west, Pakistan shares its border with Iran and its length is 800 kilometers. As you know, Afghanistan lies in northwest of Pakistan. We share the longest border with Afghanistan and that is 2200 kilometer long. अफगानिस्तान और पाकिस्तान के बॉर्डर को ड्यूरेंट लाइन भी कहते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, स्क्रीन पर जो आपको येलो कलर की एक पट्टी नजर आ रही है, ये नॉर्थ में अफगानिस्तान की एक 15 किलोमीटर की एक तंग पट्टी है जो पाकिस्तान को ताजिकिस्तान से अलग करती है. टू द नॉर्थ ईस्ट, कराकोरम माउंटेन्स फॉर्म्स द बॉर्डर बिटवीन चाइना एंड पाकिस्तान. इसी एरिया में जम्मू एंड कश्मीर की स्टेट है जो कि डिस्प्यूटेड एरिया है. यहाँ से पंजाब के साथ साथ इंडियन बॉर्डर शुरू होता है जो कि थर डेजर्ट से गुजरता हुआ अरेबियन सी पर ख़त्म हो जाता है. In the south of Pakistan, there is 800 kilometer long coastline of Arabian Sea. Now I will give you some information about the neighboring countries of Pakistan. And the first country is Iran. Iran is a Muslim country like Pakistan. Its official name is Islamic Republic of Iran. Iran's old name was Persia. The language of Iran is Persian or Farsi. Its population is 70.5 million. The capital of Iran is Tehran. Iran is surrounded by mountains. This country has 2 coastlines. In the north, Iran has Caspian Sea, and in the south, Iran shares a long coastline with Gulf. As well as Iran shares its borders with Pakistan, Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, Iraq, Azerbaijan, Turkey, and Armenia. Iran is an agricultural country. The main crops of Iran are wheat, rice, tobacco, fruits, sugar beet and tea. इसके अलावा ईरानी किसान भेड़ और बकरियां भी पालते हैं. Now we will talk about the natural resources of Iran. Iran has 10% of the world's oil reserves, along with natural gas, copper, iron ore, lead, and precious stones. Next country is Afghanistan. Afghanistan is another Muslim and neighboring country of Pakistan. Its official name is Islamic Republic of Afghanistan. The official languages of Afghanistan are Pashto and Dari Persian. The population of this country is 32 million and the capital city of Afghanistan is Kabul. It is a mountainous country with hot and dry climate. Afghanistan shares its borders with 6 countries. They are Pakistan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, China, and Iran. Afghanistan is a country which has no coastline. Afghanistan is famous for its carpets, rugs, and fruits. The main crops of Afghanistan are wheat, cotton, barley, and corn. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम अफगानिस्तान की हिस्ट्री की बात करें तो अफगानिस्तान को 2 बड़ी जंगों का सामना करना पड़ा। 1979 में सोवियत यूनियन यानी रशिया ने अफगानिस्तान पर कब्जा कर लिया। अफगान मुजाहिदीन ने इनकी अफवाज का मुकाबला किया और 10 साल की तवील जंग के बाद 1989 में रशिया को अपने मुल्क वापस जाना पड़ा। इसके बाद 2001 में अमेरिका ने अफगानिस्तान पर हमला कर दिया और अफगानिस्तान को एक दफ़ा फिर बहुत बड़ी तबाही का सामना करना पड़ा। इन दोनों जंगों के दौरान अफगानिस्तान के लाखों शहरी अपना मुल्क छोड़कर पाकिस्तान आ गए। पाकिस्तान ने इन अफगान मुहाजिरीन को वेलकम किया और उनकी बहुत अच्छे तरीके से मेहमान नवाजी की। Now China. China is much larger country than Pakistan. Its official name is Republic of China. The official language of China is Mandarin Chinese. It is the world's most populous country with a population around 1.34 billion people. The capital city is Beijing. Pakistan shares only a small border with China. The mountains in this border are Karakoram Mountains. The Karakoram Highway, with a total length of 1300 km, connects Pakistan and China. This highway is called the 8th wonder of world due to its height. China shares its borders with 14 countries. They are Afghanistan, Bhutan, India, Kazakhstan, North Korea, Kyrgyzstan, Laos, Mongolia, Burma, Nepal, Pakistan, Russia, Tajikistan, Vietnam. The main crops of China are rice, wheat, millet, and they have large deposits of coal, oil, and iron ore. The world famous Gobi Desert is in the China and Mongolia. It is a large desert. It covers parts of North China and southern Mongolia. It is known for its dunes, mountains, and rare animals. Now we will talk about the next country, that is India. Its official name is Republic of India and its capital city is New Delhi. It has an area of 29,73,190 square kilometer and its population is 1.3 billion. The official languages of India are Hindi and English. Now we will talk about the major crops of India. The major crops of India are rice, wheat, maize, pulses, cotton, jute, sugarcane, tobacco, and oil seeds. As well as India has developed many large industries, especially in information technology. Now I will tell you about the neighboring countries of India. India shares its borders with 9 countries. They are China, Bhutan, Nepal, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. In the southern part of India, there is a large plateau called the Deccan Plateau. In the north, the country is separated from China by the Himalayas. और स्टूडेंट्स, जिस तरह पाकिस्तान में ग्रेट रिवर इंडस है, इसी तरह इंडिया में दरियाए गंगा है जो कि नॉर्थ में हिमालय से निकलता है और ईस्ट की तरफ बहता हुआ बे ऑफ बंगाल में मिल जाता है. Our next topic is interdependence. Interdependence का मतलब है बाहमी इन्हिसार. The dependence of two or more people or things on each other. कोई भी शख्स अपनी ज़रूरियात को अकेला पूरा नहीं कर सकता. अपनी ज़रूरियात को पूरा करने के लिए उसे दूसरों पर डिपेंड करना पड़ता है. Just like people, countries also depend on one another. Countries have to purchase and sell their goods to each other. Therefore, every country needs to maintain good relations with each other. Students, this is the end of our lecture. Now we will move on to exercise. Now we will do question answers. Question number 1. Between which lines of latitude and longitude is Pakistan situated? Answer is, Pakistan is situated in the continent of Asia. It lies between latitude 24 degree and 37 degree of north and between longitude 61 degree and 76 degree of east. Question number 2. Name the countries that share their borders with Pakistan. Answer is, China, India, Afghanistan and Iran share the borders with Pakistan. Question number 3. Which country shares the longest border with Pakistan? Answer is, Afghanistan shares the longest border, that is 2200 km long with Pakistan. Question number 4. Which mountain range forms the border between China and Pakistan? Answer is, Karakoram mountain range forms the border between China and Pakistan. Question number 5. Where is Gobi Desert situated? Answer is, the Gobi Desert is situated in China and Mongolia. Question number 6. Which of Pakistan's neighboring countries has no coastline? Answer is, Afghanistan is one of Pakistan's neighboring countries which has no coastline. Question number 7. What is meant by interdependence? Answer is, interdependence is the reliance or dependence of two or more individuals or countries on each other. Question number 8. Why is there a need for interdependence? Answer is, countries depend on one another for different reasons. Now we will do work page number 75. Question is, complete the fact sheets about the neighboring countries of Pakistan. Students, only first 3 points are included in our syllabus. Now we will do facts about the neighboring countries of Pakistan. First country is People's Republic of China. Its capital is Beijing and its official language is Mandarin Chinese. Country number 2, Islamic Republic of Iran. Its capital is Tehran and its official language is Farsi or Persian. Country number 3 is India. Its capital is New Delhi and its official languages are Hindi and English. Students, this is the end of the lecture. Goodbye.